Welcome to Delicious Recipes. Today we're making the famous chocolate lava cake. We start with rich dark chocolate, creamy butter, fresh eggs, sugar, flour, and cocoa powder. Everything is mixed into a smooth, silky batter and poured into small baking molds. After just a few minutes in the oven, the outside becomes soft and delicate, while the center stays warm and filled with melted chocolate. Watch as we cut it open and the rich chocolate lava slowly flows out. Served with vanilla ice cream and fresh strawberries, this dessert is pure chocolate heaven. Would you try this amazing chocolate lava cake? Follow Delicious Recipes for more mouth-watering recipes from around the world.